Hi there, this is a tutorial on comparing two numbers. This is page 16 of Preparing for Algebra. My name is Susan. We are looking at 38,216, which in our example is less than 38,509. And the way that we judge these two numbers from left to right is to study the place values and find out if they're equal to, greater than, or less than. So the first number in the 10,000ths place is 3. They're both equal, so we move on. The second number is an 8, which is in the thousandths place, and it is also the same as the other number, so we move on. Now we're into the hundreds place, and one of the numbers has a 2 and the other has a 5. So the one with the 2 obviously is less than 38,509. So what I want you to do is just with the little signs, less than, equal to, or greater than, to write the sign in the problems below. We'll see you on the next example page. Thank you.